Hello students, good morning. This is your computer concept sheet discussion for the topic more about computers. The first section is A, state true or false. The questions of this section you have to mark true for the correct statement and false for the incorrect statement. So students, how will you do these types of questions? Let's see one by one. Your first question of this section is machine language is the only language that computer understands. Since this statement is correct, so you have to mark here true within a block. And your next statement is assembly language is regarded as first generation language. This statement is false, students, because assembly language is regarded as the second generation language. And next statement is Fortran language was designed for business users. Students, this statement is false just because Fortran language was designed for scientific application. COBOL language was designed for the business users. Okay, students, and next question is assembly language is regarded as the first generation language. Students, this question is incorrect. So, just because assembly language is regarded as second generation language, so you have to mark false within a block. And your next question is operating system is a system software. Students, this statement is absolutely correct, so you have to mark true in front of this statement. And students, the remaining questions, question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, try to do it yourself. And the next section of this concept sheet is one word type question. How will you do these types of questions? Let's see one by one. Name the translator used to convert assembly language into machine language. So students, you will write down here only of one word for the given statement. So students, answer will be here assembler. Assembler. And your next question of this section is the term software first used by whom? So students, answer will be John Builder. John Builder. And the remaining question of this section, question number 3, 4 and 5, try to do it yourself. And next section is D, application based question. Students, in these types of questions, you will try to understand and what the application of the questions. So how will you do these types of question? Let's see. Your first question of this section is Kapil's aunt was a computer programmer during third generation of computer language. Which kind of language did she use then? So answer will be here high level language. High level language. And your next question is Sumit is trying his hand at Java programming. Which type of language is he using? So students, you have to tell Java is what Java is which which kind of language? It is high level language or low level language? And next question is, students, in this question number 3, you have to make a MS PowerPoint presentation on the topic development of artificial intelligence in computer. And next section is E, answers the following in short. So students, in these types of questions uh, you have to answers of these questions within uh, within two sentences. First is one, what do you mean by machine language? Machine language is a low level language that is comprised of binary digits 0 and 1. And your second question is, how is assembly language different from machine language? So students, you have to write the difference between the machine language and assembly language. So students, machine language is directly understandable by the computer, but assembly language is not directly understandable by the computer. And the program that is written in a machine language, execution is fast, and the program written in assembly language, execution is slow. In machine language, there is no need of translator, but in assembly language, there is a need of translator, that is known as assembler. So, students, the remaining questions, question number 3, 4, and 5th, try to do it yourself. Next section is identify the following peripherals as input device or output device. So students, how will you do these types of questions? Let's see. Your first question is monitor. You have to mark the given device is a input device or output device. So monitor is a output device. You have to mark here output device. And next question is keyboard. Keyboard is a input device. Just because this is used to take the input. And next, scanner. Scanner is a input device, just because this is used to take the input in the form of text, image. So you have to mark here input device. And the remaining questions, laser printer, question number 4, 5, 6, and 7, try to do it yourself. Students, this is all about your concept sheet discussion for the topic more about computers.